This is nice, isn't it? You can also hold it there and hold. Okay, Nicola's movement. Nicola Adams, so we pull, pull,
Come on,
pull,
that's it.
pull. Again, feel the squeeze in your abs.
Feel that squeeze.
Feel that crunch.
I'm sorry about the noise on the television. I forgot to turn it off before I started this. Let me see if I can. Oh. Is that better? Yes, it is, isn't it? It's the exercise bit on Good Morning. I don't know. Anyhow, this is far more important, isn't it? Rainy sparrows there at the moment. We get sparrows, 1 or 2 robins, usually just 1, and starlings, lots of starlings. Pigeons, well, pigeons come and wreck the place. I chase them away if they're on the feeder, because there's plenty for them on the ground down there, and I let them eat that. It keeps the mice away. Although the mice need feeding, I'm not going to feed them. Well, not intentionally. What? Discrimination against mice? Well, yes. Birds are lovely to watch. Right, that's enough, Frank. We're getting bored now. All right, bye-bye, folks.